Well, good afternoon, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this October the 26th, 2023. I'm hoping everybody's having a great Thursday out there so far. Everybody has a great Thursday out. Enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the tropics here. Here's tropical. Well, what was Hurricane Tammy is just a post-tropical cyclone now spinning up here near Bermuda. And pretty much just regular tropical waves moving through the MDR region. No development at this time. Here's the sea producing some showers and thunderstorms. Also down in the southern Caribbean Sea as well. And also we got more showers and storms moving along the Mexican coast. Moving on to the west. That's pretty much all we got in the tropics. Like I say, but we'll be discussing Tammy in today's video. But like I said, it's pretty much just a post-tropical cyclone. It got caught up with a cold front, and it should finally shift on out to the may meander a little bit around Bermuda, and then eventually continue to push on off to the east northeast later on down the road. All right. Okay, if you're a new viewer and have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and consider subscribing. Love to have you. Like these videos, share these videos, and also one more time, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And you're in. You get my forecast twice per day unless something comes up. Alrighty, and well, let's continue to get the forecast on down the road here. We're going to continue to the next graphic. Let's take a look at what was post-tropical cyclone Tammy. Looking poorly organized this afternoon. Getting a little bit of convection, but like I said, still got a little spin. Still has 85 miles per hour wind, but it's a post-tropical cyclone, and we can say goodbye to Tammy because Tammy will be gone here very soon and just be a remnant low and just meander around out here in the central tropical Atlantic, and that'll be it. So, but anyway, this should be the last advisory on Tropical Storm Tammy from me. So we'll be discussing our regular forecast cycles from now on. I'll still be doing, and then we'll go from there. All right, let's take a look at the forecast call from the National Hurricane Center, and we'll show you the track of this system here. What the National Hurricane Center has got. As you can see here, here's the hurricane force wind, the big tropical storm force wind to spread it out. They still got it a remnant hurricane, then there's a tropical storm, and then it just bends out to, this is the last advisory. This was at 5 a.m. this morning. Like I say, this is the last advisory from the National Hurricane Center, and this will be the last advisory for me as well, because Tammy will meander around out here near Bermuda, and then eventually just kind of dissipate later on down the road. Alright, this is the 5 a.m. advisory. If you're tracking the system at home, this will be the last advisory. Located near latitude 30.5 north, longitude 58.4 west. Maximum sustained winds are near 85 miles an hour with higher gusts. Movement is to the north at 12 miles an hour. Still remains a hurricane, but like I say, it's a post-tropical cyclone with winds of 74 to 110 miles per hour. Like I said, it was Atlantic, and we can say goodbye to Tammy. Alright. As you can see here, here's the models here, and then we'll show you the intensity guidance of the system. Alright, here is the model runs here. I mean the located about right in this vicinity here. See, it just shows it meander toward Bermuda, and then just kind of back off to the east. And that's why the National Hurricane Center got it going back this way and then turn this way. But Bermuda, you may still get in on some gusty winds, tropical storm conditions possible still from this storm. But like I say, it's not classified as a tropical storm no more. It's a post-tropical storm now. So, all right, and here's the intensity. All right, so that's it on Tropical Storm Tammy. Will be the next storm will be Vent when if Have another. Okay. States. I mean northwest, northern, and rocky region of the northern portion of the United States. I don't know why I said northeast, but sorry about that. But we got it right now. Up here, portion of Minnesota through North Dakota, South Dakota, portion of Nebraska, also back into Wyoming, also Montana and Idaho, and also portion of Utah. We have winter weather advisory, winter storm warnings for that major winter storm going on in that region. A little bit down into Northern California. Got some freeze warnings there as well. Same down here in Central California. Got some special weather statements there as well. Some wind advisories for portions of Idaho. Also, we have some red flag warning for southern Colorado. Dense fog advisories for portions of northern Colorado and also southeastern Wyoming. High wind warning there as well. Some special weather statements also for portions of Wyoming. Also over portions of Colorado. Also into portions of Nebraska and Kansas region as well. We had that flood watch, flood warning, flood advisory down in central and southeast Texas. We have some gale warning, small craft advisory from southern South Carolina to the Florida Keys. And again over here into portions of the California coastal areas, also up to Oregon State as well. Alright. The Hawaiian Chain Island looks A-OK, and also the Alaska still got those gale warnings, storm, small craft advisory around the area, special weather statements west, and freeze and spray warnings in effect to the north. Alrighty, well that's your watches warning advisory. Excuse me. Alright. General thunderstorm activity with Minnesota down in a portion of Kansas and Nebraska, into Missouri, back over to Michigan. Also same in portion of Arkansas, Oklahoma, northwest Louisiana, and southeast and eastern Texas. We had that marginal risk down into portions of southeast Texas. Alright, if you live in Austin, College Station, Byron, St. Marco, and New Bonneville, Texas area, you're under a marginal risk for severe weather this afternoon. Tornado probability 2%. This includes Austin, College Station, Byron, St. Marco, and New Brunswick, Texas area. 2% risk for a tornado, damaging winds. Pretty much same areas from Austin all the way to New Brunswick, Texas, and surrounding areas. 5% for damaging wind. Large hail is 5%. Less than 5% all areas across the board. All right. Here's day 2 out on your Friday forecast. Alright, as you can see here, general thunderstorms up here around the Great Lakes region, all the way stretching back to the southwest into Texas. Pretty much just general thunderstorm, no severe weather at this time. Would not be surprised, maybe a marginal risk could pop up in that line as well as we continue to roll forward. Tomorrow there may be a marginal risk. I'll have more on that tomorrow as if they do add a marginal risk to it. Alright, here's your day 3 outlook. This is Saturday's outlook. This got some general thunderstorms from up here near portion of Ohio all the way back into Texas once again. Would not be surprised to see a marginal risk maybe added in there as well. Right now, they're just going with general thunderstorm, but I would not be surprised to see a marginal risk maybe added there as well. All right, for the next 16, let me go over. Okay, this is the 16-day snowfall total across the lower 48 per the GFS. As you can see, this model is sniffing out something for the northeastern United States. Not snakes, but states, that is, for the northeastern U.S. Getting 28, 25 inches of snow. I doubt that, but the model are hitting that some kind of winter storm maybe going to affect portions of the mid-Atlantic, maybe up to the northeast toward the end of the forecast period. Also, we got that major winter storm coming in from the northwest. You're still getting a lot of snowfall out of it as well, from the Rockies all the way into southern Canada, southeast Canada as well. The northern portion of the country, even off far south as Texas, may even get some snow flurries and snowflakes falling as well in portions of Texas, and also back over here in the Sierra Mountains of California, and also over here in the Rocky Mountains over here as well, and also in the portion of Oregon and Washington State may get some snowfall as well. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Everybody continue to stay safe and well. Enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got. Like these videos, share these videos, consider subscribing if you have not. We'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful Thursday afternoon, folks. Take care.